Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to download and install CCleaner on macOS 13 Ventura. How to speed up your Mac. Click on Apple logo, click about this Mac. This is our macOS 13 Ventura operating system. Now I am going to download CCleaner. Open web browser. Go to google.com. Click No thanks. Type in Google search bar. Download CCleaner for Mac. Press enter. Click on first official website link, www.ccleaner.com. Click OK. Now our CCleaner website is open. New CCleaner for Mac is here. Let's click on free download. Click allow. CCleaner downloading is started. CCleaner is downloaded. It is only 36.3 megabytes installer package. Let's close web browser. Click on Finder. Click Downloads. Here it is, our CCleaner installer package. Right click on it. Open with disk image mounter. Let's close Downloads console. Double-click the icon to install. Welcome to the CCleaner installer. Click on Continue. Software License Agreement. Click on Continue. Click Agree. This will take 117.8 megabytes of space on your computer. Click on Install. Type ROHIT user password. ROHIT is our admin user on this Mac. Click Install Software. Installer would like to modify your apps. Click OK. The installation was successful. Click Close. Welcome to CCleaner. Let's close on it. Click Close. If you want to keep the CCleaner installer package, then click on Keep. Otherwise click on Move to Bin. In my case, I am keeping this installer package. Let's close installer. Eject CCleaner disk. Click on Launchpad. Click on CCleaner icon. Right now we are using the free version of CCleaner software. That's why we will be able to use only limited option in this. I am increasing the screen resolution of my macOS desktop, to have better visibility of our software. Click on Apple logo, click System Settings. Let's drop down little bit. Click Displays. Set the resolution of 1920 by 1200. Let's close display. I am going to clean clutter. Click on Scan. Click OK. 393.3 megabytes of clutter. I am going to clean this. Click Clean. Click Continue. It required password to clean clutter. Type ROHIT user password. Click OK. Cluttered is cleaned. Click Done. Now I am going to clean browser. Click on Scan. Click Clean. All clean. Click Done. As you can see on screen, it is showing warning sign, allow full disk access, reveal whole disk to find more clutter. I am going to provide full disk access to CCleaner. Click See How. Click Open Privacy Preferences. Let's drop down little bit. Click Full Disk Access. Click on plus sign. Type ROHIT user password. Click Unlock. Click Applications. Select CCleaner. Click Open. I will choose Later. Close Full Disk Access. Click Continue. Click Got it. As you can see, the warning notification is removed. CCleaner have full disk access in our Mac. Click Insert License Key. If you have a valid activation code, you can put on this and activate your CCleaner software. But in this demonstration lab I have used the free version of this software. Let's close this console. Let's close CCleaner. CCleaner software create a little shortcut in menu bar, to provide a notification. Here it is, let's click on it. In this we see the notifications, recommendations, our CPU usage, fan speed, CPU temperature, memory usage, disk usage. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to download and install CCleaner and how to speed up your Mac operating system. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.